yeah, man. When I get the phone, it's about the place where the budget take place, man. We get the phone, it's about go on. I want people that run the studio. So Bujo call Marcus one side and I talk to him. I give him a try to show him, say, watch ya. Son, may have more experience than you and thing, you know. On certain things, many things you should have done. Right? Why you Lego angel, you know. Because it don't make no sense. Because for one, she a big up man for you. So she know the road long time before you. And two, enough DJ she there with in the business already. She there with being a man and bounty and you know what I mean? She up and down. You're not supposed to do this so. You know, find a different girlfriend, man, and thing and settle you.
No, don't worry about that. We're there, eh?
Are we there?
We exist. That's what we're there. We're not doing this stuff. Rough. Can't do this rough. We're going to go my dreams and we're going stronger, you know.
True.
The you do rough, but not alive. We're there, man. Still there.
So some of your Buja talk to him as a father to a son. The youth now just get ignorant and some group and say, you can't tell me that. I'm a big old man now. I'm going to tell me who for there with. Look how much kidney you, look how much woman you fuck, look how much woman you breed. And start this up Buja. But what happened now is you want this up and load it up and make everybody hear the conversation. So put someone like a boy, man. Like a boy over there. So him come in a Buja face. And Buja straight right him. And him stagger back, and when him stagger back now, he was coming back again off the top Buja now. And Buja give him a kick and then drop a ground. So Buja come over now for start keep up. The people must come and hold him and part it. So the youth now jump up and jump in the car. My car Buja give him a drive. Jump in the car and run the car in the man Benz. The Buja is a brand new Benz now. He run to the Benz and mash the Benz and reverse on the two other car before him drive out on the premises. So he mash up the vehicle them and drive out. So him go to station and put whatever. But the police them say for him to press charge, he must bring a doctor's certificate and all them type of thing there. But then again, I think that's foolish because if you even do that, that can't Buja go and then that go Buja. The reality that Buja can press back charge